How to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. In order to verify a Bitcoin on Cash App, first and foremost, launch a Cash App application. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged in. To verify your Bitcoin, you need to verify your Cash App. In order to do so, tap on the banking icon at the bottom. You will see such interface. Now, to verify your account, all you have to do is tap on the user icon at the very top. You have to go ahead and select the option. It will display a couple of options. Select Verify Your Identity. To verify your identity, you will have to upload your photograph and some of the verification document. You can also enter a biometric, that is your Face ID and your fingerprints. Once done, hit down Continue. Then you have to enter your phone or email address so that it can send you an OTP or a link to verify yourself. Once you verify your account successfully by Cash App, they will review about your application. Once you are clarified and verified by Cash App, you'll be able to verify your Bitcoin easily. To summarize, verify a Cash App account to verify your Bitcoin. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.